Hello, Assalamualaikum to everyone, especially our lecturer of this course, BGY3202, Animal Structure and Function, Dr. Muhammad Nur Hisham bin Muhammad Nazir. Okay, so I am Raiyyanah binti Samsudin. My metric number is 189009. This video is regarding to the task 2 given by Dr. Hisham, where in the Carnival Geom Science 2018 held in Panggung Percubaan UPM, we need to choose an organism and choose any one of the system that the body system that exists in the organism. Observe the organism for 2 hours, and we need to describe or explain about the body system of the organism that we choose. Okay, so firstly, I choose human because in the Carnival Geom Science there was a very crowd of human, and I thought that it would be the best choice to choose human, and the system that I chose is skeletal system. I don't know why I love skeleton so much, because maybe I also look like that. Moreover, they are very cute, but cuteness is nothing if we compare to the importance of the skeletal system for the human to survive. Okay, so before we further discuss about the skeletal system, I want to emphasize on the importance of the skeletal system to human. Yeah, this is the importance of skeletal system. Firstly, skeletal system for strength, support, and shape. Okay, skeletal system give us the human strength, support, and also shape of our body. Without hard and rigid skeletal system, human cannot even stand upright and become just a bag of soft tissues without any proper shape. Secondly, protection. Skeletal system gives protection of delicate organs. Skeletal system protects our soft inner organs such as heart, which covered by rib cage, and also brain, which covered by our skull. Skeletal system prevent the shock, external shock directed to our soft inner organs, because any damage of the inner soft organs can cause fatal. Next is leverage for movements. Skeletal system allow us to move. It consists of bones, cartilage, and also joint, which are the main components for the human locomotion. Without this system, we are not able even to sleep on our bed. Actually, skeletal system has many and infinity of importance to human. But in my points, it's last but not the least, production of red blood cells. For information, bones like sternum and heads of tibia carry out red blood cell production, which allow the transportation of oxygen throughout our body. So that I hope that we all will appreciate our skeletal system, because it is one of the main or the major system that needed for human to survive. Next, let's discuss further into skeletal system. As you can see in the slide, skeletal system is the system of bones which is associated with cartilage and joints of human body. where in skeletal system, these three components exist. Next, we will look in detail about what are the components of our skeletal system. So, firstly, this is the whole part of our skeletal system, and if we divide them into two acts, actually, axial skeleton, and also later I will discuss about the appendicular skeleton. So the axial skeleton forms the axis of human body, which this is the main part in the system, because it forms the axis of human body. If you can see here, the one in the blue color is the axial skeleton. So we have three main components in the axial skeleton, which are skull, vertebral column, and also rib cage. So this is the skull, our skull, vertebral column, which also known as spinal cord, and also the rib cage. Okay? So, my first point is skull. Skull forms a bony framework of our head. It forms our head shape. It consists of 22 different bones and can be divided into two, which are bones of cranium and bones of face. Second is the vertebral column. Vertebral column is a flexible column of vertebrae. It connects trunk to the skull. Okay, it connects our trunk into the skull. Then it has 33 vertebrae and can be divided into 5 parts, which are cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and coccygeal. That's all are located in the vertebral column here. And the last one is rib cage. This is our rib cage. Rib cage is a bony cage enclosing vital human organs, which is the heart. Okay, so rib cage protect our heart. It formed by sternum and ribs. This is the sternum, and the lateral skeleton is the ribs. Okay, and it consists of 12 pairs of ribs. If you can count here, it has 12 pairs and divided into true ribs, false rib, and also floating ribs. Yeah. So we move to the next point. Yeah, this is the appendicular skeleton, which is the skeleton of appendages of human body. This the blue part here again. This all are the appendicular skeleton. So it has 4 main part, which is shoulder girdle. Shoulder girdle is here, if you can see. Skeleton of upper limb means this, the hand parts. Pelvic girdle is here. Skeleton of lower limb is here, the leg part. So I will go through one by one. Shoulder girdle. Yeah. It connect. Where's my mouse? Okay, it connects upper limb, which is the hand, with the trunk. So without this, our hands are not connected to our body. So shoulder girdle have 2 bones, which are clavicle and scapula. Okay, clavicle is the up here and scapula. Next is skeleton of upper limb. Okay, this skeleton of upper limb, it has 30 bones. It consists of humerus, ulna, radius, carpals, metacarpus, and phalanges. Okay, carpals, metacarpus is here, down here. Okay, that's for upper limb, skeleton of upper limb. Next, we go to pelvic girdle. This is the pelvic girdle. It consists we have two pelvic girdles which are at the right and left. Okay, it consists of three components which are ilium, ischium, and pubis. Yeah. Okay, it's not labeled here. It's okay. And the last one is the skeleton of lower limb. It also consists of 30 bones, including femur, which is our thigh, tibia, here, patella, which is our knee, tarsals, metatarsus, and phalanges is here, located here. Okay, located here, metatarsus. So in upper limb we have carpus, right? Carpus, where our fingers called metacarpus and all, whereby in leg we call the as tarsus and metatarsus. Okay, so that's all my maybe presentation. Yeah, and just want to say I love skeleton so much. And that's all from me. Thank you. Hope doctor and my friends enjoy. Thank you. Bye and assalamualaikum.